Hi friends, hope uh, you're doing good. Today we're going to talk about pivot. So what is pivot table and how can you use it? So for me, I would say if you're dealing with any kind of data, pivot is your best friend. How? I'm going to teach you. Okay, so if you're dealing with data, so first of all you should know your data. You should have the basic understanding of your data. So I've got this sample data with me, uh, for which I'm going to run a pivot, and then we would see how things are working in pivot. Okay, so here is the sample data. It has got order date, region wise, wrap, who has sold that, who had the sale conducted, item, and unit, how many units, per unit cost, and the total cost. So this is my sample data for today, and we're going to run pivot on that. So you just need to ask one question: what do you want from your data, from your information? So I've got a lot of data with me. Now I want to know some key information. How would you know it? So normal thing is, we just put a filter, and we would put some filter this way, and we'll come to know that in each region, on so and so date, how many items were sold. Okay, so this is very cumbersome and time consuming, but if you know how to run the pivot, then it becomes very easy. Okay, how? Let's see. So how do you insert the pivot in your Excel sheet? So you select your data like this. Okay, so you select your entire data and you go to insert and you click on pivot table. It will ask you whether you want to add it in your new worksheet or existing worksheet. So normally we would add it in the new worksheet. So we'll click on OK. So it's been added. So pivot has been added, as you can see, pivot table 3. All right. So let me just shift my screen a little to here. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. So the pivot table has been added, and now I want to see. So if you have the basic understanding of the raw data, you would want to know in region west, what was the what were the items that were sold. Okay. All right, just give me a moment. So region. So see, these are these 4 columns here. One is filter, another one is column, rows, and values. So rows means you would put here which you want to see as in vertical way. So I want to see region wise sales. Okay, so I would put region here. Okay, region is here, and then values means I want to know the number of sales, or maybe the total sales. Okay, so total cost. So if I put total cost here, okay, so it's giving me the total cost. So set in west region, this were the total cost or total sales. Okay, now instead of total cost, I want to know just the amount count, or how many sales were done. Okay, so this will give me the count of it, and if you go to value field setting and if you select sum, it will give the sum of it. Okay, so now you have understood the function, how it functions in terms of rows and values. And now filters. So filters, as the name suggests, I want to filter certain information. So it means I want to know on on particular date what was the sales in all the regions. So I would put date in filter, and I would actually select one of the dates. Let me select this one, 1st of July. So on 1st of July, these were the sales region wise. Okay, so whatever you want to put a filter on, you need to put that item in filters and it will give you the data. Okay, now what do you put in columns? So columns means what do you want to see horizontally. So I want to see horizontally maybe the items. Okay, so let me put the items. Okay, so region wise, these were the items which were sold on 1st of July. Okay, so this is the columns. Okay, so now basis on what you want to know, you would put items in one of these boxes. Okay, so now I want to know which wrap has had the maximum sales in central region. Okay, so I would put filter of region because I want to know central region, and then I want to know the wrap. Okay, and I don't want to know the items, so I would just remove the items. So this is the list of the all the wraps who had made sales. I want to know the highest, so I would go here, right click, and I would just sort the data. Okay, sort largest to smallest. So Kevil was the one who had the highest sales in region central. Now I want to go further. I want to know on 1st of July in central region who was that wrap. So I would again put second filter, select the desired date. In this case, this is 1st of July. So now result has changed. Now Smith is the one who had the highest sales on 1st of July. Okay, in central region. So you can have multiple filters applied basis what you want to know, and you would put item in rows for which you want to know some information. So whatever you want to know vertically, you would put it here and you would put the filters. Now I'll give you another example. I want to know date wise sales. Okay, so I would just remove wrap from here, region from here, I would put date here. So this will give me date wise sales. So 1st of June, this was the sales. Okay, and then you can have your filters. Okay, so which item was sold, which item had the maximum sale conducted. So if I put item here, okay, and I want to know on 1st of August, then I would have a sorting feature. So I would right click it, okay, and just click on sort largest to smallest. So Mousepad had the largest sale done on 1st of August. Okay, so I hope now things are clear, and it will be easy for you to use the pivot table. If you have any question, please comment and I'll try to answer that. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much.